morning everyone, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Last day we were discussing exercise question. Today also we will continue with that. Okay, so let's see question number 6 from exercise 2E. The question is, find the smallest number which when divided by 45 and 60 leaves 7 as the remainder in each case. Okay, so we have 45 and 60. We need to find out the smallest number which when divided by 45 and 60 leaves 7 as the remainder. Okay, so what we have to do in this question, first we have to find out the LCM of 45 and 60. And how to find out LCM, you know very well. First we'll arrange like this, you can see, and here we have 45 and here 60. Okay, so by smallest prime number, first we'll take 2 by 2, not possible. According to the rule, 2 should be divisible from the list, and here only one number is there which we can divide by 2, so we'll not take 2. Okay, so we'll move for the next prime number, and the next prime number is 3, and we'll check whether these two numbers are divisible or not. So 45 and 60 both we can divide by 3, so we'll take here and divide. When we divide this 45 by 3, we'll get here 15. Alright, when we divide this 60 by 3, we'll get here 20. Alright, now here we have 15 which we can divide by 3, but 20 we cannot. So we'll not take 3 now, and we'll move for the next prime number, and the next prime number is 5. I will divide by 5, 5 3 15, so we'll write here 3, and 5 4 20, so we'll write here 4. Okay, now we don't have such number which divide both the number. Alright, so we'll find out now LCM. So LCM equal to 3 into 5 into 3 into 4, product of divisor and undivided number. So when we multiply 3 into 5 into 3 into 4, we'll get here 180. This is the LCM of 45 and 60. Now we need to find out the smallest number which when divided by 45 and 60 leaves remainder 7. Okay, so therefore the required number equal to, what we have to do, we already found the LCM. So LCM we need to add with the remainder, and the remainder is here what? 7. So LCM plus remainder, that will be the answer. So 180, that is LCM, plus 7, that is remainder. When we add, we'll get here 187. So this is the number. Now let me divide by this 45 and 60 and check whether we are getting the remainder 7 or not. So when we divide this 180 by 45, I think this will go how many times? 4 times, 4 5 20, carry 2, 4 4 16 plus 2 80. Sorry, here 187, no? So when we subtract, we'll get here 7. Clear now? So we got the remainder 7. Same way when we divide 187 by 60, because the second number is what? 60 now. So this will go how many times? 3 times, 180. So here also we got the remainder 7. Okay, that means this answer is correct. I hope this question is clear to you all. Okay, now let's move to the next question. The next question is the LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF of two numbers are 252 and 6. That means this is what? This is LCM and this is HCF. Okay, because here it is mentioned the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 256. Since the LCM is mentioned first, so this 252 will be the LCM and 6 will be the HCF. Alright, if one of the number is 42, then find the other number. Find the other number. We already studied the formula in class 5. The formula is first number into second number equal to LCM into HCF. Alright, LCM into HCF. This was the formula we studied in class 5. Now according to the question, LCM and HCF is given. You can see LCM into HCF, that is given here, LCM and HCF. And if one of the number is 42, let's suppose the number is first number. Here you can see, let's suppose the number is first number and we have to find out the second number. You can see LCM is given 252, HCF is 6. First number, let's suppose 42, that is given here, and second number we have to find out. Now when you have to find out the second number, from formula you can see this you need to write here, second number, then keep this equal to, and then divide this LCM into HCF by first number. Alright, you can see the formula here, second number equal to LCM into HCF by first number. Okay, this is the formula which we have to use for finding the second number, because the first number we taken here 42. Okay, so let's put the values in formula. So second number equal to, what is the LCM? 252. You can see 252 into HCF. What is HCF? 6. So we mention here 6 by first number. And what is their first number? 42. Okay. Now reduce the term if possible. So clearly we can divide 616, 67, 42. Alright. Now this 252 also we can divide by 7. Now 7, 321, 4 left, 4 2 42, 7 6 42. So we got 36 answer. Alright, this is how we have to find out the other number. So such type of question is there, then like this you have to follow the process. Okay, so I hope today whatever I discussed with you all, each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.